Don't what? I'm not recording. I'm just holding my phone. Y'all like these?
These ones with little perforations in them, or these ones which is on smooth. These little ones look like shot glasses. You know when people get That's what I like to say. Not for real. What's poppin', YouTube?
What y'all up to? Y'all know when I eat, we eat. So go ahead and get y'all some food, chicken leg. We got crab legs today, so y'all go get y'all some crab legs. Hamburger, hot dog, popcorn, chicken, whatever y'all want to eat. You feel me? Shout out to eat healthy. You feel me? All 2020 I'm eating healthy. This not healthy for real, but
How it's not? It's healthier than a burger.
you right. Without further ado, get lit, stay lit. Tea shine to clean. Say your grace, man. Amen. Amen.
Pay my respect to your religion.
But what I was gonna say is T shine clean like my diamond ring, man. I be so lit. I can't help myself. Bet I be lit like a T shine clean like my diamond ring, man. I be so lit. Yeah, I can't help myself. The littest in the mall, the littest in the school. Bet I be lit like a taste of the intro. Get that motherfucking intro poppin', please. T shine clean like my diamond ring. Man, I be so lit, yeah, I can't help myself, yeah. The littest in the mall, the littest in the club, the littest in the school. Bet I be lit like a taste of lit intro. T shine clean like my diamond ring. Man, I be. Alright, so we got what another thing? You see what I got with you.
Did you literally just do all of that to know where your intro go?
Yeah. No, it's part of my song, but I did it the first time, and niggas was like, that shit fire. So I just kept saying it. So now every time I do my intro, I say that before I do my intro.
Oh.
Cause my song, if you listen to my song, it's really about YouTube. It's T shine clean, cause people say your teeth is always white. So T shine clean like my diamond ring. Man, I be so lit, hey too lit. I can't help myself. The littest in the mall, cause I always listen to the mall. The littest in the school. I started doing YouTube at school.
This is the best part of the fucking crab, bro. The fucking finger.
The littest in the school, the littest in the club. That I be lit like a
Like,
taste
let
of
me
it.
take my finger, okay?
Go ahead.
He said I can have it. That's real love.
That's what?
That's real love.
Wow. Between State Farm and the taxpayers, we're all taken care of.
You got dirt all over you.
Stop.
What?
I'm okay.
Oh, look.
So you think you can make it through those East Coast winters without me?
You're like the best thing that ever happened to me.
And?
And I'll do anything for you.
And?
I think Sam's about to say the L word.
Let's go, kiddo.
Nice timing, Dad.
I adore you.
That's not the word that I want to hear right now.
What are you talking about? It's the same word as the other word.
It's not the same word.
Look, if I say the other word now and you force me to say it, won't mean anything. Plus, you haven't said it either, so don't get mad at me for not saying it.
Yeah, but I haven't said it because guys always run when you say it first.
Yeah, well, so do girls. Especially girls like you with options.
Maybe both.
Cause I wouldn't give it away. I'd be like, nope, nigga, that's the best meat. It's cause they use their hands a lot, so it's like, it's not as tough. Like it breaks apart different. Like it got that flaky best part. I don't even understand what he's vlogging for. He not saying nothing. I'm talking to you, YouTube. This is now Yaz Too Lit TV. Bye. That way. This is now Yaz Too Lit TV starring Yaz To Me. Not Tay Too Lit. He out of the picture. Yes, Too Mean is now here. How y'all doing, fans? Y'all gonna be a part of Creation Nation. Y'all know y'all can go to LYC Creationz and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, you know, over there. With that, instead of right here. You can subscribe to both of us. You can subscribe to both of us. But over here it'd be really lit. This is just play lit.
Play lit? Oh my god.
This is play lit. It's not Tay too lit, it's Tay play lit.
Wow.
I'm sorry. I'm just playing with you. Don't take it to heart. I got a bad sense of humor.
I just want to eat before this nigga show up.
What you did?
This nigga probably like, oh, y'all niggas eating. No, he not gonna say that. But I just ain't.
I've been a pescatarian. Since I was 16. Really 15.
She only 12.
I am only 12.
Hey, shut up.
I'm definitely only 12.
No.
When you say teenage, how old are we talking?
No.
I turned 13
Bro,
August.
stop saying.
You should go look at my EP cover and
No.
then seriously judge like my mother because I'm 12.
Yo, I'm joking. Stop, the break, stop.
I ain't that. They gonna snitch on me. You pick it up. They gonna call me R. Kelly for real.
I turned
Stop
20.
saying that. They gonna call me R. Kelly. They gonna come after me.
I turned 20, guys.
But she was just playing the whole time.
But I do look like I'm 12. I look like I haven't hit puberty yet all the time.
But
I'm gonna be moving into my house. That's how I feel about that.
I'm not coming though.
I mean, I don't know why, but
I am.
I guess he don't like me. He don't want to come to my EP release party.
Did I say I didn't like you?
That's what you said. You said you're not invited.
Did I say that?
Yeah, you said you're not coming.
I guess I'm not coming.
Yeah, there we go. Who said that other than you?
Cause I forgot what day is on.
It's on my birthday.
I know that. Like what
He
day?
not coming because he gotta work
Yep.
and he gonna be too tired.
I don't go. Maybe I don't know.
I'm debating on if I want to do it 8:30 to 3 or 8:30 to like 12. 8:30 to 3 or 6:30 to 12, I should say.
Who done? Who ain't done?
Hell no. I don't eat like that. I could eat probably like 2 legs at a time. That's why I like seafood. People be like, it's not filling, but it's not that. It's just that you're used to being bloated. So once your body adjusts to not being bloated, and then your body starts understanding full and not full, you realize that that is enough food.
How did I meet you?
I mean, I tried to tell y'all the story in the last one. He got mad at me, so I ain't gonna say
Go
it.
ahead.
He DM'd me on Instagram, and I was like, sure, I'll do a YouTube video.
She's alright, yeah. I met her at the mall. I was doing a public interview. Y'all know how, y'all know I'm not smooth lit. I'm tattoo lit. I was smooth that day. Big drip, you feel me? Big drip, no cap. I'm not even capping.
Not capping.
She know I'm not capping. So we was at the mall, and I was like,
Because I've been to the mall recently.
so I was like, yeah, I'm finna go talk to that girl. Who was with me? I had got my field with me. We supposed to do a video that day, but we didn't record overall. So I just walked up to her, and I was like, "How you doing?"
He ain't record.
But I got her number. No, I ain't get her number. I forgot what happened. I think somebody walked up to her and they was like, "My boy want to talk to you." But I was like, "Nah, I ain't no punk." So I walked up to her. You know, I get lit. So I walked up to her. I just did my thing, do what I do, you know. And that ain't no more fact for that.
Period.
I'm just playing, y'all. She right. I'm just playing. It's a 10-minute video. I'll catch y'all in a minute. We finna, I gotta step outside. I think the nigga here. But you done now? Nope.
No, I'm trying to just take it with me. I'll be saving for you.
I see.
I seen you could buy blue crab fingers on this one place on DoorDash. I was so contemplating it, but I don't like blue crab.
I don't. It's talking about a little round thing.
Blue crabs?
Yeah, they're little.
Yeah, they're blue.
Yeah, I don't like them either.
They're nasty.
Yeah, I had them over here. That's my last time coming over here. It's my first time coming over here. It's my second
Yeah,
time.
blue crab ain't the move. And I see where you probably seen it. It's like, oh, $14. I might as well get that. Nope. It's a ripoff. That shit should be $2.
Alright, this nigga. Okay, nigga, I'm gonna feed y'all too, bro. I ain't like, Ray, don't eat in front of me and not give me a piece. Crack it up.
I'm gonna eat in front of you and not give you a piece. I'm sorry.
Get it.
Not here, yo. Y'all gonna just take that out his hand like that? That's nasty.
What they do?
That's nasty.
With family, them.
This is the second time I couldn't know something, so I want to know.
But you did know. I didn't tell you. I thought you'd wait. And he's like,
I don't like waiting either.
oh, you impatient. But she's so impatient. I told her to hold up to open the door. She said, she opened the door and closed the door back.
When somebody's sitting inside of the car,
Okay.
and you want to sit inside of the car, is you gonna wait on them to get out the
Yes,
car
you will.
and come around and open the door,
Yes,
or
you
is you gonna get in the car? I'm gonna get in the car. Like, I'm just not used to somebody wanting to open my doors. Like, that's different. That's a hard one.
Where's nigga at?
Up your butt and around the corner.
I'm on a mission, I told my little baby, don't worry about it. By the time it comes, securing the bag, it's the mission, the shit that we talked about. It's worth the wait, but I'm getting impatient. I get in my back, instead of stepping out. I want the money, ain't trying to be greedy, but I had a change in my appetite. You gotta be patient. I'm on a mission, I told my little baby, don't